Hey there, my name's Tristan O'Connor, and I am here and excited to show you about our new tab, our tabletop digital signage from Clear Digital. So you can see it's got a really cool box, and what we're going to be doing today is opening it up and seeing all of the cool stuff that comes inside. So what we're going to do first is pull back on the box. You can see it unfolds really easily. Now all I'm going to do is tip it backwards. Now, inside of this box is going to be some very important things. First off, your manual. Very important. Set that aside. What you'll also see is the actual talk itself. That's what I've got here. It's wrapped up. You can see that we want this wrapped up because this is a touchscreen device and a screen. So you want to make sure that it is not damaged. So we've got all kinds of really good stuff wrapped around it. I feel like a kid on Christmas right now. So there is our lovely tab. Now, included with the tab is also going to be your charger. Charger is very important, and while these are battery operated, in fact, you can get 10 hours of battery life out of this device, you do have to plug it in to charge it. So we do have a couple of different pieces here. You actually have little legs for the bottom, so you can kind of screw those in, and basically little rubber stoppers to keep it from moving around as easily. And in this box, you also have your charger. Lastly, a remote, very important. I believe that the rest of this is essentially just quality certified certificates. So I'm gonna toss that to the side and we're gonna check this out. So first off, if you wanna turn it on, you wanna flip it over. There's a little silver button that you're gonna push and you're going to turn it on. And you can see here, this is starting to boot up. So we have some battery right out of the box. So this is our tab, great for a lot of different retail spaces, digital signage at checkout counters, right? Point of sale, maybe you're pushing one of those new sales or special deals or giveaways. But on top of that, this features a number of different USB inputs and you're able to actually connect external devices. So we've got effectively a giant Android tablet that will come innately with our show software, connect to your wireless network, so you can use this for wayfinding, you can use this even as a point of sale device. So really just a flexible touchscreen option here. As you can see, I've got a lot of different opportunities to run different types of software. This is just the beginning. We're really excited. We've got a ton of new signage coming out and I can't wait to show you what comes in those boxes as well. Check us out for more videos in the future.